lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week or as soon as we can we will be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today I'm going to be doing this really cool glitter eyeliner look using the Dupe Factorie's holiday palette. So if you want to see how I did all of this, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to conceal my eyelids. Okay, I'm just going to blend. Now I'm going in with Catrice's Nude Illusion loose powder and I'm just going to set the concealer on my eyes. Alright, I'm so excited! I'm going to be using Dupe Factorie's Holiday Edition palette. Have a look at these colors right here. So the top row is all matte and then the bottom row is all glitters. And the colors are to die for. It's like from a light pink to a dark pink, and there's some browns and like a warm brown orange color. And I feel like you can do a lot with this palette, so I'm really excited to be going in with this today. And this is the first time I'm using it. Okay, so I'm running out of fingers. Kaylee, give me your hand. Oh, look at that! It's so shiny and it's not gritty, and it just blends nice and oh, so pretty by itself or on top of like a neutral color. Once again, wow, look at that pigment. This is so pretty. Okay, so there you have it. Those are all the colors, and I feel like it's a good variety of mattes and shimmers that really pair well together. And I've used just the mattes and I've used just the glitters, and I just love this palette so much. It's a really good variety. Okay, now I'm going in with this light pink shade just all over my lid and into the crease, just to create a base. Okay, now going in with brush number 9 from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to be going in with this orangey brown color, and I'm just going into the crease. This color is very pigmented, so going with a loose hand, but I really like the color payoff, and it's blending really nicely. Also, I feel like I'm a little bit of a hot mess today. Like we've all we've all seen the finger by now, but I had to get a tetanus shot, and so it really hurts to move my arm, but this is how much I love my makeup and this channel, and so my dedication, I hope it shows today. So just excuse me if I'm a little bit off my game today, but I'm really trying. Now I'm going to start going in with these two plum reddy pink colors on the corner here. Okay, yay, I'm so excited to try this color. I'm going in with this gorgeous pink color here, and I'm going to start putting it into my crease and building it more into the outer into the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so at this point I feel like everything's mixed, like a little bit messy and stuff, but this is why I'm doing my eyes first, so that I can clean up and do my foundation after. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this warm brown color over here, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be going in with this palette from NYX. It is the In Your Element Metal palette, and I'm going to be going in with this pinky silver shade. I feel like it's one of those duochrome kind of colors. It looks a bit pink, but then it can look a bit silver as well on the eye, and it's really pretty for an inner corner highlight. So this is my first attempt at doing a glitter liner. So how I'm going to do this situation, I think, is I'm going to do my normal wing liner using my Epic ink liner from NYX, and then I'm going to use that sort of to trace, and I'm going to go in with the glitter glue from NYX and go over the black, and put the glitter on top. So let's see how this strategy is gonna work. Okay, now the tricky part, we're gonna go in with the glitter glue from NYX, the glitter primer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this beautiful gold color here. Okay, so this is what the looks like so far. I'm loving this gold. I feel like it needs something just a little bit more to add a little bit of drama, because you can never have enough going on in the eye basically. So what I want to do is I just want to take my liner and I just want to do another black wing liner above it, and then I'm going to add mascara, and then let's see how it looks from there. But I feel like just the black will make it pop against the pink. Okay, so this is where we're at. I know that took a while, but I feel like I'm really living for this look now. Like it just gives the gold a little bit more definition and breaks it up from the pink. So I'm going to put up my mascara on now, just on top, and then I'll go ahead and do the bottom after my foundation. But let's see how this looks. I feel like the eyes always look like not as great as you want them to until you've done your whole face. So let's just go ahead and do mascara. Okay, so as usual, Essence Get Big Lashes, Volume Curl. Okay guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, I just did the rest of my face, and this is the eyes. I'm super happy with how this turned out. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video.